Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. XiaoMi here. I am sure you have watched my video on PM2.5 detector from XiaoMi. It actually tells you how clean your air is indoors and outdoors for breathing, if it is healthy, if it is unhealthy, if it is hazardous, if it is clean or not. I'm sure you have watched this video and you have watched it completely. Today in this video we are going to talk about the very best friend of this PM2.5 meter, the XiaoMi air purifier. This has become my beloved gadget. This is a big device you can see here, but this has become one of my most beloved gadgets right here in my house, because I have seen the effects after you turn it on. I have seen how quickly it cleans the air indoors in my house and make it healthy to breathe, not only for myself but for my little kiddos, for my next generation that is breathing and living and playing inside in this house. So this is the XiaoMi air purifier. This is one of the most important gadgets, along with the PM2.5 meter that's sitting right there. You might want to have one. I'm actually ordering 2 more of these because I want them to be active, connected to that PM2.5 detector and turn on themselves, all by themselves, by communicating with each other, and keep my indoor air healthy, breathable air. So this is the XiaoMi air purifier. I'm gonna put it right here so that you can see it. All right. And of course this also connects to XiaoMi Mi Home app. This is a gadget. It also connects, and this gadget also connects to XiaoMi PM2.5 detector. And of course you can run only one app on your smartphone, that is Mi Home app. Connect it to your air purifier and control all the aspects of your air purifier. So let me bring the camera closer. Let me give you a closer look at the air purifier, and then I will show you how the app works with the air purifier. So first off, this is it. There's nothing much on the air purifier. There's a small light right here that shows the different colors, and according to those colors you can easily detect the quality of air. If this light is red, the air quality is not healthy to breathe. If this is orange, it's like moderate polluted air, and if it is green, we are breathing clean, healthy air. Alright, up here you have auto, sleep mode, and favorite mode, where it goes high speed if you want to clean the air very, very quickly. While in auto mode, as soon as it detects, it does have a pollution detector just like this PM2.5 detector. On the back, if I turn, you can easily see on the back there is a detector right here on the air purifier, which detects the air quality. And if the air quality is bad and your detector and your purifier is on auto mode, you will see it is speeding up itself to clean your air and to make it breathable for you. It has vents all around where air goes inside. Let me turn it off to show you the air filter, that air purifying filter inside. XiaoMi says this is a HEPA, HEPA air purifier or air filter. Okay, just like this, once you open, it will detect that you have opened the air filter cover and it will stop working. You can easily pull the air filter out. Now this air filter definitely will become bad over time when you're using it, but don't worry, you can always order new air filters. And how do you know if the air filter needs to be changed, needs to be replaced? Well, the app will actually tell you exactly how many days left for the life of your air filter. And once the air filter is really clogged and polluted and bad, well, you will know this from the app, and you can easily buy a new air filter and replace it. On the back side here you have a reset button. So when you want to connect it for the first time, you have to press the reset button and the on-off button at the same time simultaneously and hold until you hear double beeps. And once it beeps, it will be looking for the Wi-Fi routers or Wi-Fi systems or Wi-Fi running in your house. It will connect to Wi-Fi, and then using the XiaoMi app you will follow the similar procedure that I have shown you in my previous video for the PM2.5 detector. You'll follow the same procedure to connect your air purifier to your same app, and it will and you can control all the features of the air purifier. So I have the air purifier connected to my app. Let me bring the app closer to the camera and let the camera focus. So you can see it is showing the air indoors is very, very clean. Filter remaining 95%, very, very good. Outdoors, it's also showing the air quality, which is based on the online information that it is getting from Xiaomi servers probably. Okay, so you can also see indoors and outdoors air quality, and it's showing the temperature. Alright, it's showing the humidity in this room, it's showing the comfort is cold, air indoors is excellent, filter remaining days are 138, and also it shows how long my filter has been running. I mean air purifier has been running for 127.4 hours, and this purifier has provided the clean air enough for 2.8 hot air balloons or 16.9 million breaths. Awesome. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so you can control different aspects of your air purifier right from here. Okay, and you can also, of course, go to the settings of your device. About this product, reset filter, schedule power on off. You can actually set various schedules. At the moment it's empty because previously I had different schedules for it to turn on and off itself, but then later, as for this review, I had to reset the air purifier. There are no schedules, but you can always set the schedule, like a starting time. For example, I can say I want it to start at 6 a.m. Alright, start at 6 a.m. and end at 12:18, let's say, and say OK. Alright, so it will always turn on and off on these times itself. Notification sound, bright light, purifier location. Of course, you can see in which room your purifier is. When you actually add the purifier to your app, you can easily set the room. It has a turbo mode and parental controls as well. After that, you have automation and general settings where you can rename, share the device, manage location, notification shade shortcut, update the firmware, remove device, and etc, etc. But the most important screen is here that shows you everything about the air quality inside and about what the purifier is doing and how well it is working. So I have here a cigarette with me. If people are smoking in your house, that is really, really bad for anybody's health. So I'm gonna light a cigarette. Alright, so here is a cigarette in my hands, and this is the PM2.5 meter. The cigarette is right here in my hand behind the PM2.5 meter. We're gonna see suddenly the air quality. PM2.5 shows 600 and air quality is really, really bad. Alright, so I'm keeping it away from the cigarette, okay, and I'm gonna just throw the cigarette away. Hold on. Well, the air quality is still very, very bad. What I can do is I can turn on the Xiaomi air purifier and you can see the effect immediately. Alright, right above the Xiaomi air purifier, I am going to turn it on. And you can see how immediately the pollution or the quality of air, and you can see how immediately the quality of air is getting better. So Xiaomi air purifier does work. Let me put it on fast mode. So it will clean the air in my room very, very quickly. So right above the air purifier we have green bar, which is very, very clean and healthy air to breathe, and I put it away. And if I put it away in my room, it's getting back to 96, 122. But as the air purifier will keep working, it will circulate the air into the air purifier and clean the air for me, make it more breathable. This smoke will be gone very, very soon, and these levels will come back to normal. to green that was initial. Right now it's showing the PM 2.5 8790 in my room. Right, we'll go to different rooms. Excuse the mess, we are still unpacking. '86, '82 in this room. I will turn on the XiaoMi air purifier and we will see air quality right above it. Immediately you can see the difference in air quality. The air coming out of this XiaoMi air purifier has reduced the PM 2.5 down to these levels from the orange light to green light. So you see, if I can buy more of these air purifiers, I can actually turn, well, excuse the messy home, I can actually turn the home air to a very, very good quality. Alright, now that you have watched all those clips, you have a clear understanding of how important these two devices all together are for you to be aware of the air quality that you're breathing inside and outside, and you can easily correct those issues by using these air purifiers. Not only one, as I said, I'm going to order 2 more to keep one in each room, including living room, and I'm sure they will make a big difference and it will provide us a very healthy, clean air to breathe. When you open the windows, if it is a dusty, windy day, the dust is flying all around, carrying PM 2.5. When a lot of people are coming in and out, someone is smoking in your house, when you're cooking or you're burning incense, I do have something here in my home that we burn to create a smoke that actually kills bacteria in your house, but actually that is a smoke and that does pollute the air to breathe. That's where these air purifiers, they come very, very handy. They will keep the indoor house air very, very clean and breathable. I hope my point is clear. People, be aware of where you are living, how you are living. Give yourself and your beloved ones, your little ones, a clean, healthy, breathable air and a clean, healthy environment. Thank you very much for watching this lengthy and boring video, but I hope you do watch it all the way from beginning to end, because this is all about a healthy lifestyle and everyone wants to have a healthy lifestyle. You should have a healthy lifestyle. Thank you very much once again, and stay tuned. More videos are coming. Next coming up on my channel are the videos of the newest ISDT balance charger or battery, LiPo battery charger. Of course, more FPV flight videos are coming. I've just fixed my Thier fastest FPV flying wing with a Cobra motor this time and a new ESC, 30 amp ESC. I'm sure I'm not gonna burn anything now. Last time I burned something in Dubai, but now I'm back to where I belong. The Riverside FPV is gonna be lots of fun. Stay tuned, and more videos are coming soon. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, Also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.